Hey guys, this is Kashif Jamshed. Welcome to Gardening and Junkyard. Today we are discussing about compost. Uh, First of all, I told you that our garden consists of two parts. One part is this small lawn, and the other part is large playground. From these lawns, we got a lot of lawn moved grass, and we have a number of trees, so our garden has lot of dry leaves. Today we are going to prepare compost from these leaves and lawn moved grass. Let's start our work. In a corner of our large ground, we dig a hole and we collect all our lawn moved grass and put in this hole. This is a grass and these are leaves. Now we will collect all these leaves and make the layers of grass and leaves and cow dung. Our garden is irrigated by river water, came from a canal. This way pit will be filled with water every week, and this material will be decomposed in 2 to 3 months. Well, we are going to fill this pit. This is grass. Now we level this grass layer. We can fill this pit with all this material after mixing, but this time we are making layers. Now we collect all these leaves and make a layer of leaves. This is the position after 1 month. Now we are making a layer of cow dung. Decomposition is started, that's why our material is going down. This is the water. Now this is a position after 3 months. Now we take this decomposed material and keep this in sunshine for 1 day. Leaves are completely decomposed, but grass needs some time, but we collect this material. Now this is the prepared compost from leaves and lawn mowed grass and cow dung. Now we will